Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. We are talking about my new hair. It's super duper cute. It is from Lulutress and it is the Bohemian 18-inch hair. The pack looks like this, and as you can see, she's wearing hers long. I'm in Texas, it's hot. I tried long hair with the deep twist. I had to cut that, and so I started off by cutting this in half. I really enjoy the layering effect, and I really didn't have to trim anything. I didn't have to layer, it layered all by itself. So this hair was $6.99 per pack from my local beauty supply store. The beauty supply store that I went to is called BB Beauty Supply. It's in Houston, Texas on the west side, and it is Black owned. I was very excited to go in there and see that they are owned by a Black couple, and they had hair that I wanted to try. So I purchased 3 packs, and I actually had about a full pack left over. So technically, if I were gonna do this full length, that's 4 packs of hair, but I only used 2 packs with cutting it in half. So that's great. I have hair left over, but I did mix 3 colors. I mixed a color 30, a color 2, and a color 4. So here's what the 30 looks like. This is cut in half. And this is a color 2, I think. So a 30 and a 2, but I also have a 4 in there. So the 4 is like in between these two. Now, when I put this in my hair, I pulled it apart about 3 times. So I wanted it to look kind of fluffy. So I did about this much at a time. You see how it just pulls apart really pretty? The hair is very soft. So this is the other piece that I would pull apart one more time. But you see how it just pulls apart and gives you a nice soft curl. And I will say the hair itself is actually very, very soft. I'm interested to see how this does over the next week. So I'm gonna come back in about a week and show you what it looks like. I know after the first day, hair kind of gets like pressed down as you like sleep on it. I'm not gonna put it up in a like pineapple thing. I'm not doing that. I put on my bonnet and I go to bed. When I wake up, I get some curl mousse, fluff my hair, and I go. So this is day 1, just installed. It's pretty fluffy. I have enough hair so that if it gets too flat tomorrow or the day after that, I can just add a few more pieces. So I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Okay guys, it has been just 1 week, but I'm getting ready to take this hair out. And not for the reasons that you think. I actually really like this hair a lot. I should have left it long. When I initially installed this hair, I cut it in half because I kind of do that with all the hair that's super duper long. But I should have left it long and then just layered it to frame my face and had maybe like, you know, hair to here. But I actually really like this hair. It doesn't web up as much as I thought it would. But with it being short, it does kind of poof up in the top like that. And I'll be outside and my hair just stands up randomly. So I'm going to actually reinstall this hair with the actual length that it comes at a later time. So hair is still very soft. It's still like manageable. I just don't like the way it lays with the way I cut it. So thanks for watching this. And when I do reinstall this hair very, very soon, I will let y'all know. Until next time, y'all have a good day.